Alright guys, we're going to solve 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Going to mix it up. Get it good and messed up, and then we will fix it. Doesn't really matter what you do, just mess it up. Get a lot of the colors away from each other. Okay, so it's pretty well messed up. Okay, it's going to go in a few stages. First thing we're going to do is get our centers correct. These 4 center pieces, we need all of our colors correct. Second stage, we will pair all these edge pieces. Third stage, we will solve the top layer, which will be the white side, the whole complete top layer. Then we will complete the center layer to where all 3 of these are done. And then we'll complete the bottom layer. So for now, we'll start on the centers. I like to start with white. Okay. So as you can see, we have all the white ones in the center here. The opposite of white is yellow. Now we need to make the yellow pieces. And hopefully without messing up the white. Now we have white and yellow. Now we need to create orange. Okay, we now have orange. Next orange is green. Okay, now have white, yellow, orange, green. Opposite of orange is red. Now you'll see when we solve red, blue will solve itself. Okay, now we have all these center pieces complete and in the right orientation. Orange should be bottom left of white center, green bottom right, red top right, blue top left, yellow opposite. Now we're going to pair these edges. Make all these together. They're all mixed up right now. So I'm going to start with white. So I'll start with orange and white, which is right here. Find the other orange and white one. Where is it? There it is. We are going to need them on the same thing. So now we have our orange and whites paired up, and we have not messed up any of our centers. So we'll move on to another one. Right. Okay, keep moving on. We'll do all of them that way until they're all completely paired. edges are paired. Now we're going to turn yellow side up, turn all the whites to the yellow side. Like that. So you're looking for the yellow flower. Now you take the top, remember I told you orange bottom left, green bottom right. Line up the colors here. So we're going to turn it to green, 180. Red, 180. Blue, 180. Orange, 180. Now we have the white flower and in the correct orientation. Now we need to fix these four corners. Okay, there you have it. The top layer and in the correct orientation. Now we gotta fix these middle layers. So, start here. There's one. So, this one needs to go here. Okay. That one needs to go there. There you go. Now the first three layers are done. Now we gotta complete this one. Okay, there's the yellow cross in the correct orientation. I just have the four corners.